practical power. So, dahil malapit na ang Pasko, no? At pag Pasko, ayaw nating malamig ang ating Pasko. Eh. So, dapat usapang love life muna. Yun ang unahin natin. Usapang love life muna. At ang MCCS po, kagaya ng ibang kumpanya, as much as possible, we don't want office romance, no? But, syempre, hindi naman po maiiwasan pag tayo ay na-in-love na at napana ni Cupido, talagang siguro doon na rin sa pag-ibig mauuwi, no? At ang classic example nga ng ating office romance ay ang ating si Martin at si Rita. So, ang aking pangalawang question ay para sa inyong dalawang lovebirds, no? So, para sa inyong dalawa, Martin and Rita, considering no na ang company rules is dapat walang office romance, no? How are you coping with it? Na ngayon kayo ay mag-asawa na. How do you handle professionalism? How do you maintain professionalism? And paano naiiwasan yung favorite mo ba si Rita among all your sales agent? Mauna ka nga, Mart.
First of all, we're very thankful dun sa MCCS kasi inallowed nila yung aming yung kaming mag-asawa, inallowed niya kami dun sa company. And second, pinapakita namin na professional kami by showing dun sa mga agent namin na kung sila napapagalitan ko, mas sobra kong pagalitan yung asawa ko.
Yun ang tinatawag na favoritism.
Yes. Minsan, I feel guilty, coach, kasi minsan napapahiya ako na umaabot sa point na napapahiya yung asawa ko. Minsan, napag-uusapan na kami. Would you believe, coach, pinag-usapan ako ng trainee, sabi, grabe raw ako magalit sa asawa ko.
Wag po natin tutularan si Martin.
Pero that is inside the office kasi they don't know pag nasa bahay na kami. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko, coach.
Alright. So, kakaibang favoritism po ang nakikita kay Martin, no? So, on a more serious note, I think what Martin is trying to say here, MCCS is very flexible as a company that even if it's part of the company rules that there should be no romance, MCCS is very understanding to accommodate. Nagkain-laban na po eh. So, at the end of the day, MCCS was very supportive, and is still supportive, pero Martin naman is very responsible as a team head that he wouldn't parang in a way, hindi mo iti-take advantage yung
Yes, coach.
relationship na yon, and you wouldn't let Rita abuse that relationship para magkaroon ng favorites. Kaya nga binaliktad po ni Martin, ginawa niyang favorite si Rita na pagalitan. Rita, ano naman ang masasabi mo dyan? How do you cope with this situation that you guys are married?
Ako, coach, bali mindset. Mindset lang ako, coach. Siya yung boss pagdating sa opisina, pero ako yung boss sa bahay.
No
Joke
way.
lang.
Wow.
Pero totoo, coach, we separate kasi yung issue. Kung issue niya, issue ko. At the same time, we prioritize, siniset namin yung priorities namin mag-asawa. Kung ang priority namin is magkaroon ng future yung mga anak namin, so that's the time na I need to do my job and he needs to do his job.
Okay, very well said. Ganda ng pagkaka-explain ni Rita. Mukhang alam na natin talaga kung sino ang boss.